તાજેતરમાં પંડિત દીનદયાલ ઉપાધ્યાય ઇન્ડોર સ્ટેડિયમ સુરત ખાતે 20મી કોમનવેલ્થ ટેબલ ટેનિસ ચેમ્પિયનશિપ યોજાઈ ગઈ. પ્રસ્તુત છે તેના સંકલિત અંશો.
But 12 countries they are participating in this 28th Commonwealth Table Tennis Championships.
Pang Zhu Ji, the boy from Singapore. Singapore, of course, is a powerhouse, and Ireland is represented by Ashley Robinson. So we straight away now go into the first game.
Played wonderfully well on yesterday.
Pang. If this is any indication of what's going to come.
Prefer to have the shake hand with that is the Indian subcontinent area. Now changing the strategy.
Hasn't been able to. I thought this rally will perhaps go up to one. The best part is he lost this point, Robinson.
7-6.
Back and coming from behind.
Oh, wonderful. So a bit of catching for Pang. Oh yes, he placed it so well. Table Tennis Championship. These are the highlights of the opening game. Both the players started attacking. What I thought Pang was missing in his armory is that he tried to take too many on the backhand flicks. But at the same time, Robinson, very wily guy. You saw a lot of him. So Pang will have to change his game plan. Well, there again.
On the previous occasion, it was a very long one, and this one with just a short backswing.
Ashley Robinson. Oh yes, this time Pang had him on the wrong foot. So it's 3-all. We haven't seen longish rallies. You got to catch up with play. 4-all. Second game.
Pang is concerned.
7-5 Pang. To creep closer to him, because the moment he does that, Robinson gets on top.
But unable to cash on.
But if it becomes 9-all, perhaps Pang might fight the heat. And that's exactly what's happened.
Is he going to say no? That's it. And at last, Robinson had the last laugh.
Pang Zhu Ji, he had to do it because this is the best of 7. But Sudhir, if you lose 2 consecutive games, then you find yourself at the receiving end. So Pang has done a wonderful job of retrieving the situation, coming back. Some of the European countries, but so what? This is table tennis of the highest order.
We could see the display of all the skills.
If you look at the history of Commonwealth table tennis and don the Singapore colours, so they're as good, if not better than the Chinese themselves, because they are Chinese migrants in any case. So it's now 2-all. Game 3. 1-all in the game score. 11-7 the first to Ashley Robinson. 11-8 the second in 7 minutes to Pang Zhu Ji. So that's the stroke he continues to play. I don't know why. Game 3. This is the first match of the morning. Wonderful Sunday. Chill in the air. Temperatures should be about in the early 20s or even below 20. Robinson now a bit at sea. You think Sudhir Pang has realized that this is a big occasion. He's got to come back. There's no situation where he can say that this is a pool game. I can relax. Not that you relax in a pool game, but here it's now or never. A 5-3 correction, 3-5. This was a rally which
Stance, so that it is very comfortable to play both the forehand and the
went on to win at 11-8. 6-5 Pang. There hasn't been much of aggression from the two players. Sudhir.
strategy that he has, and that's it.
8-6 Pang. 9-6. 2 points away from taking the game 3. 6-10 Robinson. Well, this time Pang was like an Air Force pilot, his eye on the ball. He knew that it had to be done, and he's done it at 11-8, 11-7. So he is now in the lead. Where do you think Robinson went wrong? Do you think he was a bit more tentative as we watched the highlights of the third game? And I think Pang also got a little more aggressive.
No, he tried to actually bring that variation into his game. Initially going for the forehand shots, then switch on to the backhand and changing his stance with more open stance that he was playing. And but that didn't.
So that's what I said, Sudhir. And there you are. Now he continues to take Robinson. Love to. Well, when you give a loose ball, your opponent is pouncing on it. A very, very wily and crafty player, Pang, isn't he? He will sometimes look too for Robinson.
And to add one more name, that is of Colin Milburn.
2-5 Robinson. And he played such a stellar role in India's victory. 2-6 or 6-2 Pang. 7-2, he looks as if he's all at sea. Or is he at the river Tapti?
This is on the backhand spin shots.
Sudhir is now sitting pretty on 10-2, game point. To pick up 8 points on a trot is not an easy task. However great a player you are. Yes, a wonderful placement out there. Which is Pang of Singapore. Look at the way he stretched on that one.
Not ready to take any risk whatsoever.
5-10.
There is Robinson.
11-5. Fourth game goes to Fiji Pang.
The two different moods prevailing in two camps. Pang looking very confident.
So wonderful display there from the Singapore boy Pang Zhu Chi, taking absolute command of this the fourth game, smashing himself to glory. We are of course finding him to be a little more aggressive here in the fourth game, and that change of plan Sudhir has worked out for Pang of Singapore. Still remember India's first revolving restaurant came up at Surat, as we now head into the next game, which is game number 6. Both of them are not very tall players. This is a must-win game for Robinson, otherwise it's curtain for him to be.
Again, forcing him to make the moves which were not in his nature, bringing him to the extreme other end of the table, making the placements in such a fashion but he had to commit the mistake.
Punches the ball the second time. It happens sometimes, but it works the other way as well. So 4-2, Pang. So there you are. And then came back. 5-2, Pang. Ireland known for its wonderful forts out there. Scotland and Ireland and Wales. Role models for children sitting here. And if you throw in the towel, as I said, then it doesn't do good for yourself and the sport. You need to set an example. Survival.
And this shows his mental strength.
Ashley Robinson crouching low. See a passage into the next round. Twirling the racket but not keeping the control. Two away from a passage into the round of 16.
Is he going to serve? What a magnificent volley.
Pang to serve. Now there you are. (11-10). If he takes this game, I won't be surprised. There you are. That's what I said. I won't be surprised. It is going to be one of them. Oh, lose one. Amazing. Sudhir, this is vintage table tennis. This is absolutely vintage table tennis.
You see this variety in the strokes. And now preferring to play away from the table, concentrating on the cross table shots, then changing the strategy, coming back in the center of the table. And what a magnificent rally it was.
13-all, Robinson. He's finally got this. How many match points? I've lost touch of them. It finally happened 15-13. And that's the score for you. 11-7 that he lost the first game, Pang. And then came up outstandingly. 11-8, 11-7, 11-5. But the last one, game number 5, was a cliffhanger. These are highlights of the match. In which Ashley Robinson, as Sudhir mentioned yesterday, played an outstanding table tennis. Ireland is a nation not known for its table tennis. It's a nation known for rugby and football. They do play cricket. We've seen them upsetting a few teams in the World Cup. And they also play a lot of football out there. So for Ashley Robinson to play vintage table tennis out here has been outstanding.
The two pairs in this mixed doubles of the first quarterfinal, and in this mixed doubles, Lee Hugh on the left hand side and Zhou Yihan.
ये मैच बहुत अच्छा होने की उम्मीद है. दोनों ही पैर इक्वली स्ट्रांग है.
4
फिर
1.
से एक बार एक लंबा पुश, हम देख पा रहे हैं, और ये
7 1.
at the table and making that
2
shot.
8. Two 9.
और ये बहुत ही अच्छा स्कूप
10,
रिटर्न, लेकिन
3.
उतना ही अच्छा जवाब।
Makes her way in a very quick manner,
11 3.
reaching to the
First
other
game to Singapore pair.
corner of the table and executing the shot. Low trajectory shots, forehand killer.
One
और ये अच्छा
All.
सर्विस वेरिएशन,
2 1.
और
5
बहुत ही अच्छा
1.
स्कूप।
With that precision,
2 6.
she gets into her position very quickly. Even if it comes to reach to the other end of the table.
3 6. 7 3.
बहुत ही अच्छा डीप कट रिसीव, जिसको खेल नहीं पाया अमलराज।
8 3.
बहुत ही अच्छा सर्विस वेरिएशन एज वेल।
3 9. 3 10.
ली हु, जो कि वर्ल्ड की 59th रैंक है, शी इज़ द हाईएस्ट रैंकर अमॉन्ग्स्ट द स्क्वाड, और वो अपनी रैंकिंग के हिसाब से अपना प्रदर्शन दिखा रही हैं।
3 11. Game to Singapore pair.
सिंगापुर टीम ने दूसरा गेम भी आसानी के साथ अपने नाम किया।
The Sri Lankans have won the two games by the same margin. Loose serving, the side spin, low trajectory, preferring to play away from the table. Now from near the one, but with the square stance. Forehand kill.
1 love.
All-round performance has been displayed by the Sri Lankan pair.
और ये पहला आसान
All.
बॉल गलत मारा, वेरी रेयर मिस्टेक बाय ली हु। और ये अच्छा
2
सर्विस
1.
शामिनी के द्वारा, वो गोल्ड मेडल की दावेदार लग रही है मुझे। बहुत ही
2
क्विक
all.
के लिए ये सौभाग्य की बात है कि हम वर्ल्ड नंबर 59 को लाइव
2
देख पा रहे
3.
हैं। बहुत ही अच्छी रैली, और ये
3
टेबल खुला
all.
छोड़ दिया।
In this classic rally, great understanding prevailing between the two players of the Singapore team. Fine anticipation, rotation of the shoulder and the upper body.
3
Pull
4.
that pace into that shot.
She has
5
all the
3.
answers।
Conceding a point.
और ये
5
अच्छा
4.
पुश शामिनी के द्वारा, अच्छा रिसीव, और ये एक आसान रिसीव।
Both these Singapore players.
5 6.
और और ये बहुत ही अच्छा रैली, स्कूप रिसीव, अच्छा शॉट रिसीव अमलराज का।
Seven.
और ये
All.
अच्छा पैसिव ब्लॉक।
2-7 all.
Seven.
फिर से एक बार
8.
सिंगापुर आगे बढ़त लेते हुए।
Eight. All.
To the credit of the Indian players that in this game they have given a good fight.
यस, बहुत ही
9,
बढ़िया फ्लिक शॉट,
8.
बहुत अच्छा रिसीव, बहुत अच्छा रैली और बहुत ही अच्छा
9
टॉप
all.
स्पिन ड्राइव अमलराज का। पहला डोमिनेटेड पॉइंट बाय इंडियन पेयर। नौ की बराबरी पे स्कोर। अच्छा सर्विस वेरिएशन, अच्छा रैली और ये
9, 10.
टॉप स्पिन मिस कर गए अमलराज। यहाँ
Now
पे
from-
चांस था उनको।
From convincing margins to 10-9 situation. It's a good fight back by the Indians.
और ये बहुत
Clear
अच्छा
nine.
रैली,
Game to
लेकिन
Singapore.
अंक
Singapore
गवाया
wins
है
by
इंडियन
3-0.
पैर ने।
Moving away from the arena, Lee Yu, she performed wonderfully, magnificently. Thus, Singapore pair, a mixed doubles pair, Lee Yu and Zhou Yan, they have won. Is what the highlights. Fine anticipation, the interception. Huge backswing on that shot. Trying to play the long shots away from the table, but now switching the scenario close to the table. Played with that opening the face of the racket, and again making room for that shot. The side spin into action, and this is how the match was won.